Wisdom for today. If any of you lack wisdom, let him ask of God, and it shall be given him. James chapter 1 verse 5. Peace with God, and the peace of God in a man's heart and the joy of fellowship with Christ have in themselves a beneficial effect upon the body and mind, and will lead to the development and preservation of physical and mental power. Thus, Christ promotes the best interest of the body and mind as well as of the spirit, in addition to inward peace, the development of spiritual life, the joy and fellowship with Christ, and the new strength that come with being born again. There are certain special privileges that only the true Christian can enjoy. There is, for example, the privilege of having divine wisdom and guidance continually. Prayer for the day. Let me live so close to you, Almighty God, that your wisdom will invade my mind continually.